Hello students, as you know that we have completed the revision of all the lessons which will come in the exam. Now today we will start the revision of exercises of chapter 7 and 8 because the exercises, that is fill-ups, true false, matchups and MCQs, are of 20 to 25 marks. So let us start with the exercise of chapter 7. Fill in the blanks. The sparrow makes a nest between the dash of a branch. जो sparrows हैं वो कहाँ अपना nest बनाती है? Between the tree का क्या होता है जिसके बीच में बनाती है? That is branches. Between the branches of a tree. Birds make nests to lay their dash. So nest, you know that birds make nests. किस लिए बनाती है? To lay their eggs. In case of weaver bird, so weaver bird के केस में it is the dash who makes the nest. So nest कौन बनाता है? That is male. So weaver bird के केस में nest कौन बनाता है? That is male. Some animals sometimes break the dash of the birds. So कुछ animals क्या break करते हैं? That is nests of birds. Birds के nest को break कर देते हैं. Birds birds dash their young ones from the other animals. So birds दूसरे animals से अपने young ones को क्या करते हैं? बचाते हैं. That is protect करते हैं. So birds protect their young ones from other animals. Next is true or false. So different birds have different nesting habits. So yes, in this chapter we have learned that different birds makes different types of nests and they use different materials to make their nests. So different birds have different nesting habits. So this is a true statement. A crow builds its nest on the ground. So this is false because it makes its nest on the top or near the topmost branch of a tree, right? Beaks and claws help birds to catch their food. So yes, they use beaks and claws to catch their food. The sunbird does not make any nest of its own. So this is a false statement because sunbird makes nest. We should never break the nest of a bird. So yes, we should never break. So this is a true statement. Next is MCQ. Birds can fly because they have. So we have learned about the special features of the bird that help them to fly. So what are those? So birds can fly because they have hollow light bones, very long legs, solid heavy bones, very long tails. So hollow light bones is the correct option, right? The bird that makes a tuk-tuk sound while making its nest in a tree trunk. So tuk-tuk sound जो करती है क्या है? Nest बनाते हुए tree के trunk में. So that is barbet or copper smith, right? Birds are usually busy making nest during the month of. So कौन से month में वो अपने nest बनाती है? That is in the month of April, जब summer आती है. This bird uses stones and pebbles to make its nest. So कौन सा bird है जो stones and pebbles use करता है अपना nest बनाने के लिए? That is penguin. Because it lives in snow-covered areas जहाँ पर कि आप उसको easily जो twigs हैं, straws हैं वो नहीं मिलते क्योंकि वहाँ पर plants ज़्यादा grow नहीं कर पाते. So they use stones and pebbles to make its nest. The bird migrates to India during winter. So we have learned about the migration of birds. As during winter season, some of the birds migrate to warmer areas, right? That is migratory birds. So the bird that migrates to India during winter is sunbird, penguin, Siberian crane or crow. So Siberian crane is the correct option. Now let us revise the exercise worksheet of next chapter, that is chapter 8. So we like munching dash in winters. So winters में हम क्या मंच करना पसंद करते हैं? That is nuts. Mint gives dash to our food. So mint हमें क्या, हमारे फूड को क्या देता है? That is flavor. Mint gives flavor to our food. Dash is a green vegetable. So you can write the name of any green vegetable. Here is written spinach. Spinach is a green vegetable. Palak. Right? Spinach is palak. Potato is a dash stem. Potato is an underground stem that we have learned. And carrot is a dash. It is eaten. It can be eaten raw. So carrot क्या है? Root है. It is the root of its plant. Next is matchups. Carrot. Which part of the plant is we eat? That is root. Carrot के हम क्या खाते हैं? Roots. Almond are the seeds. Ginger is the stem. Coriander is the leaf. Melon is a fruit. So you must know all the parts that we eat. Next is we eat the seeds of. तो ये जो हमारे different दिए हैं food items, इनमें से कौन से है जिसके हम seeds खाते हैं? Mint, radish, rice और potato. So we eat seeds of rice. Mint के leaves खाते हैं, radish के root खाते हैं, potato के जो है stem खाते हैं. So rice is the correct option. It is a fruit which is cooked and eaten as vegetable. So इनमें से कौन सा fruit है जिसको हम vegetable की तरह खाते हैं cook करके? Orange, brinjal, watermelon or grapes. So you know that orange, watermelon and grapes are eaten in raw form. Whereas brinjal is a fruit that we cook before eating and eat as a vegetable. It is the age at which babies can start eating semi-solid food. So किस age में babies semi-solid food खाना start करते हैं? That is at the age of 6 months. Right? The type and amount of food consumed and need by different persons depends upon age only, gender only, physical activity only, or age, gender and physical activity. So it depends upon the age, gender and physical activity. So learn these exercises, and in next video we will revise the exercises of chapter 9 and 10. Thank you.